A couple of days ago, something happened that kind of stopped me in my tracks. And if you run a small business, I think you're going to want to hear this. I was setting up an AI tool called Claude on my laptop. And while I was there, I noticed a problem. My computer wasn't talking to my OneDrive folder. And that's where a lot of my files from my various projects are. And if that link is broken, things don't work right. Now, here's what normally happens for me. I'd have to stop what I'm doing, dig into the settings myself, track down what broke, and work through it. And I can do that because that's my line of work. But it takes time, and it's just a tedious hassle for me. So this time I tried something different. I gave the AI permission to take over my mouse, keyboard, screen, and it went to work. It found the problem on its own. It clicked through the settings, fixed the broken link, and it got my files talking to the cloud again. I sat there and watched it happen. I didn't touch a thing. And it was fast. It was faster than I would have been, and I've been doing this for years. What I watched was the same thing a computer tech does when they log in from far away to fix your machine. Now, I'm an IT guy, so I could have handled it myself, but a lot of you aren't. A lot of you would have had to make a call, pay the fee, wait for the help, lose half a day to the small problem. And this time, none of that happened. The AI just did it. So let me tell you why this matters to you. If you run a small business, you know that tech help costs money. Every time something breaks, it's a call, it's a fee, it's lost time. We're walking into a world today where a lot of those little fixes you can handle yourself with an AI tool sitting right there to do the work. That's money back in your pocket. That's less waiting around. That's one less thing that stops you in your day. Now, I'm not saying that every problem is that simple. Some jobs still need a real person who knows their stuff. But that small stuff, that everyday stuff, that's changing fast. And the people who start learning these tools now are going to have a real edge over the ones who wait. So here's what I want to leave you with today on that. If you've never used AI or anything like that, here's a little nudge for you just to try it. You don't need to know how it works. You don't need to be a tech person. You just need to open it up and ask a question. So here's what I want you to do. Think about a problem in your business right now, something that's been nagging at you. Maybe sales are slow. Maybe you're behind on your paperwork. Maybe it's equipment that keeps acting up. Go to the Claude website. Type your problem into the box in plain words, like you're asking a smart friend. Ask it what the most common fixes are, and then see what it tells you. That's it. That's the whole first step. Just one real question, and then read the answer. And you might be surprised how good it is. And once you see it work one time, you're going to start to think differently about what you can handle on your own. And that's how it starts. Just one question. And it's interesting because the Bible teaches us that the one who gets wisdom loves his own soul, and the one who keeps understanding will prosper. Learning something new is never wasted, even if it's a failure. It's one of the best things you can do for yourself. Well, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.